Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be bagging the Glamiversay bag from Ipsy, and I guess that's what it's called. And it's a mystery bag that they have. If you are interested, hang tight. Hi, hello. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and I post unboxings and makeup material. And as my name suggests, as my channel name suggests, I am agoraphobic, and I do post about agoraphobic and mental health issues. And if you're interested in any of those topics or all of those topics, then please hit that subscribe button and become part of my small family, and hit that notification bell, and also that you are notified of all my upcoming videos. I would greatly appreciate it. So if you are interested in seeing what is in, don't want to dox myself. If you are interested in seeing what is in this mystery bag from Ipsy, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, this is the Ipsy Glamiversay mystery bag. It costs $30 and it has 5 full-size products inside of it. It is still available to members at Ipsy. If you're interested in Ipsy, I will leave a link down below in the description box. And it is a very nice and shiny bag. And yes, everything is in the bag. And it is total valued at $200. Now, I use my phone as my recording device, so I can't look up the items. But in editing, I will leave the total value of each item down below as I'm going through them, and at the end I will leave the total retail value of the bag down below. And so, it's their 10-year anniversary. It says so on the little toggle here. A little pull string, whatever. So without further ado, let's see what we've got in here. Let me turn down the lights and put on my glasses, and I will be right back. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Excuse me. First of all, we have something from Ilamasqua, and it is Beyond Liquid Highlighter. Okay, let's actually swatch some stuff today. Excuse me, let me get my little wipe here. I forgot it. And this is what she looks like right here. I've been meaning to try more liquid products. So, this looks kind of like a rose gold color. I don't know if that will be too deep for me or not, but I will try to make it work. I've got a video coming up where I'm going to be trying new things, and I will probably put that in this video. What does this say? An illuminating liquid highlighter adding effortless luminosity to your complexion can be used to enhance the high points of the face, creating a natural radiant glow or all over for a dewy finish. This lightweight formula can also be mixed with foundation or blusher to add a brightening, multi-dimensional shimmer. Contains jojoba oil for seamless application and evenly blends over base makeup. Unlock your individuality at ilamasqua.com. Now, here I'll put down the retail value of this item. And okay, so we have this item here. Let's see what else we have. Oh, it's something else in big. Okay. It is Murad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. Okay, let's just see what it looks like. Just like a serum would. I'll probably put that into a giveaway, probably. Let's read what it says about it. Intensely hydrating serum relieves dry, sensitive skin. Oh, well, I might keep this then. Hyaluronic acid supports skin's ability to retain moisture, and chemical extract helps soothe skin. To use AM and PM, massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. Ingredients. Just looking to see if there's anything weird in here. Not that I know ingredients or anything like that, but it doesn't seem to have anything weird in there. Okay, and here is the retail value of that. I know Murad's not a cheap brand. Okay, and next we have the Pacifica Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stain. Lovely sheer color. Right here. And what color is it in? It is in Cherry Baby. Okay, I could use some more cheek stains. Let's see if it's a good color. I kind of like that color. Hope it shears out more than that, though. I put a lot on my hand, though. So, I know Pacifica isn't that expensive, but here's the retail value for the Pacifica product. Again, called Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stain in Cherry Baby. And next we have Lights Lashes Camera 4-in-1 Mascara by Tarte. Okay, I'm not going to open this up, but I will definitely put this in a giveaway. I think I have this already in my arsenal. And I've heard it's a pretty good mascara. I haven't tried it yet. It's just in my backup mascaras that I have. I have like a drawer full of mascaras. So this will be going into a future giveaway. Plus, I just don't want to open a new mascara. I've got so many open right now. And the fifth thing is from Artist Couture. Oh, it's Silky Lip Oil. Oh, that's nice. I love a good lip oil. Oh, that came out. Okay, it's just clear. Can you see it on my hand where it is right there? Okay, that comes out very... That's not easy to get out and in. It doesn't say anything about the product, just the ingredients. But it is a silky lip oil. And here's the retail value for that down here. And let me go over the products again. From Artist Couture, we got a silky lip oil. From Tarte, we got the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. From Pacifica, we got the Cheeky Cherry Cheek Stain, lovely sheer color in Cherry Baby. And from Murad, we got the Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. And from Ilamasqua, we got the Beyond Liquid Highlighter. And what's the color? Beyond Liquid. I don't know if that's the color or what. And it all came in this cute little bag here. Let me turn the lights back up. Okay. Glasses off. Let me clean my hand off. Okay, what did you think of this bag? Would you have paid $30 for it? Okay, and the big reveal. Here is the actual retail value of the bag. Were you surprised? I will leave my comment down in the description box below whether I'm surprised or not. I'm thinking it's not quite $200, but I could be wrong. I don't know. But like I said, it is still available for $30 on Ipsy. And if you want to get it, go for it. I think there's some nice products in here. And, yeah, that's all I'll say about that. And, yeah, look out for a giveaway this weekend on Saturday. I'll be doing probably a mystery giveaway this Saturday, so look out for that video. And if you are new here, I do makeup videos on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and with my husband on Sunday. Not always on Tuesday, but more or less on Tuesday. If you are looking for agoraphobic material, I've been posting on Mondays and Fridays, but lately I've been taking Fridays off, but I will get back onto my Monday and Friday schedule eventually. I've just been needing a day off here and there. And, yeah, like I said, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Give this a big thumbs up if you liked it. And it would really help the channel out, and it only takes a second. And yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful day today. And if you are not having a great day today, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful day and several wonderful days after it. And whether you are going into the weekend or the week whenever you are watching this, I just wish you all the happiness in the world. And if you are having an especially hard time, I am thinking about you and sending you out the good vibes. Just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And hopefully I will see you in my next video, which will probably be on Saturday. So okay, stay well until then, and we are having a live Saturday night, so if you want to participate in that, I am telling you that now. Okay, I always forget to say that, but we are having a live stream on Saturday night. Okay, all right, take care, goodbye.